Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jay Warren here, and in today's video and today's training, I'm going to share with you how to make more money. There's a lot of people who are, looking for ways to get money, looking for new ventures in their life, or just want to better themselves, on a financial standpoint. And I'm going to share with you today on how to make more money. So, you can see I'm still here in Ecuador. It's a little cloudy today, but there's a nice view behind me. I was just taking a short walk, and I just seen this video, and then this kind of came to me, so I want to shoot this video real quick while it's on my mind. So, anyways, how to make more money. So, um, a mentor of mine, he's called the Hip Hop Preacher. His name is Eric Thomas, and he talks about knowledge is the new money. And I would even take it a step further and say applied knowledge is the new money. So what exactly does that mean? It's starting to rain, so I'll speed it up a little bit. Knowledge is the new money. So, the more value that you're putting into the marketplace, the more money you're going to make. But if you are there's a system that my mentor also, I got a lot of mentors in this video. My mentor, Ray Higgins, says, you have to invest, you have to learn, and then you have to teach. So, and a lot of people, what they do is they invest their money and they actually learn it, but they miss that third part, which is teaching exactly what they have learned. And that's how you're going to make more money. You have to take that third step and actually teach what you learn. I was on the phone with a teammate of mine, and she was doing some Facebook marketing, and she suggested to me, she asked me, how am I supposed to monetize what I'm doing now? And I suggested to her, you got to, what you've learned with your marketing skills, and you got to turn around, you got to teach that. You got to teach that, and that's how you're going to make more money. You got to learn, you got to invest, and then you got to learn, what you invested in, whatever it's a course, an event, whatever it is that you're doing, and then you got to turn around and teach it. That's how you're going to make more money. That's putting value into the marketplace. And when you put value into the marketplace, you're going to get rewarded from it. So, knowledge is the new money, but applied knowledge, you have to actually apply it. You got to turn around and teach it. And that's how you're going to make more money. So if you found value in this, please share, comment. I always love to hear your feedback. I love to hear your thoughts. Also, if you're in network marketing and you're looking for leads, you can head over to my blog at crisscrossmarketingpros.com. I do a lot of free training on my blog as well, and you can put your name and your email, and you can get access to my free Facebook training on how to get leads on Facebook. So until the next video, this is Jay Warren, and I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.